I have a confession to make. I joined the PC Master Race. For the case, I went with the Corsair Carbide series. $54.99 on Amazon. It's simple, nothing flashy. The power supply I used is a 600 watt Corsair. $63.49 on Amazon. You can't really cheap out on a power supply, and that was an easy install. Next is a motherboard. MSI B250 PC Mate for LGA 1151 CPUs. $107.20 on Amazon, also very straightforward to install. The CPU I decided on is a 7th generation Intel i5. $264.23 on Amazon with the CPU fan included as a bundle. I carefully dropped that into the motherboard. For the HDD, a Western Digital 1TB hard drive, $72.99 on Amazon. I just popped that in the HDD slot. I chose a refurbished Corsair SSD to install Windows on for quick startup and shutdowns, and also less load time in general. $79.99 on Newegg. Just like the HDD, that popped right in the slot. I ordered two 4GB Crucial RAM sticks, $35.17 each on Amazon. Definitely nothing flashy, but they work very well. Graphics card, Radeon RX 580 4GB by GB. $206.98 on Newegg. Shown is the 8GB version on Newegg because the 4GB is out of stock now. Now the CPU fan from the CPU bundle is a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. Again, the bundle is $264.23 on Amazon. This was a pain to install, but I got it eventually. After all that, what I had to do is just plug everything into the motherboard, start her up. And that's it. It's an awesome PC for just under $1,000. It runs everything I need to on max settings, and it renders videos much faster than my old laptop did. For my monitors, I just have two TVs. They run 60 Hz, so I really don't need anything more than that. I definitely don't need gaming monitors. And for the mouse and keyboard, I have Samsung products. They're cheap, but they work pretty well. They're around $50 on Amazon for both of them. I also must say thank you to Alex for helping me pick out all the parts that I need and putting this PC together, because without him, I definitely would not have it right now. So thank you.